Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Sanguine art is a melee fighting style that blends speed and blood magic. It favors quick counters and lifesteal on hit. You need level 20 combat, 40 arcane mastery, and a sanguine ledger to unlock it. The ledger is found in the Crimson Wing of the Shadow Archives. Acquiring sanguine art requires completing the Crimson Trial and spending 3 500 XP shards. The trial tests timing, movement, and resource management under pressure. Finish the trial and return to the ledger to bind the style to your character. Find the Sanguine Ledger in the Shadow Archives, Crimson Wing, 2nd floor. You must approach the ledger and inspect it to reveal the Crimson Trial marker. Complete the Crimson Trial by surviving 3 rounds within a 10-minute limit. Each round contains escalating enemies that punish poor positioning and slow reactions. After surviving, return to the ledger to unlock the binding interface. Bind the style by spending 3 500 XP shards at the ledger after the trial. The ledger records your blood pact and grants access to core techniques immediately. Use a hybrid build with dual daggers, at least 60 agility, and 25% lifesteal. Prioritize agility and arcane scaling to amplify speed and blood damage. Focus on timing counters, conserving life, and using 1/4 health bursts strategically. Equip potions that restore 500 health per use and 2 resilience charms for defense. Upgrade sanguine art with crimson nodes to unlock faster recovery and tenacity. Practice the core combos in the arena for 30 minutes to build muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.